If Microsoft Edge feels cluttered, slow, or packed with features you never use, this guide is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to debloat Edge browser in just a few simple steps so you can clean it up, reduce distractions, and make your browsing experience feel a lot more lightweight. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. In the address bar, type edge://settings/sidebar and press enter. This takes you straight to the sidebar settings inside Edge. The sidebar can add a lot of extra clutter, so the goal here is to turn off every option you do not need. Go through the available settings and switch them off one by one. If you do not use the sidebar, this is one of the easiest ways to instantly make Edge feel cleaner. Next, stay inside the settings area and go to the privacy section. Edge includes a lot of built-in suggestions and shopping-related features that many people never use. Find the option called Show Shopping Suggestions and turn it off. If you see related options that are designed to show recommendations, promotions, or extra helpful prompts, disable those too. The idea is to remove unnecessary background features that can make the browser feel more bloated and distracting. Now, let's remove any extensions you do not actually need. In the address bar, type edge://extensions/ and press enter. This will open the extensions page where all installed add-ons are listed. Take a moment to review everything that is enabled. If you have extensions you no longer use, recognize, or trust, remove them right away. Some extensions run in the background, slow down the browser, or add clutter you do not want. Keep only the extensions that are genuinely useful to you. As you clean things up, it's a good idea to think about whether each feature or extension is actually helping you. If you are trying to debloat Edge, the best approach is to keep the browser as simple as possible. That means turning off extras, removing unnecessary add-ons, and leaving only the essentials. The less visual clutter and background activity you have, the more streamlined your browser will feel. Once you have turned off the sidebar options, disabled shopping suggestions, and removed unwanted extensions, you are basically done. At this point, Edge should feel more minimal and less overloaded. You may notice faster startup, fewer distractions, and a cleaner overall interface. Small changes like these can make a big difference, especially if you use your browser every day. So that's how to debloat Edge browser quickly and safely. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.